he's got more to go. That's going to give him the chance to have another crack, to take another couple of tenths off if he can. This is turn 5 here, 4th gear, 5th, right up to 270, down to 3rd gear, turn 6, turn 7, 8, 2nd gear, 120. Up through the gears, he'll be pulling 290 k's before he flicks it down 2 gears to 250. Well, he's 25 hundredths out at the moment. 25 thousandths, I beg your pardon. This could yet be faster than Damon Hill if he gets this last third of the circuit right. He's got a clear enough track ahead of him. He's kept it neat. This is looking promising. Well, no, he lost a couple of tenths from the first sector, but that's the second of his fast laps.